Hello, hello. So in this video, we're going to show you how to create your first project with the Creative Project Management Dashboard by DesignMinder. So over here on the left-hand side panel, you'll see the quick capture buttons. We're going to click on the new creative project, and that'll bring a pop-up over. So then we'll give it a name. We'll give it a quick description. Again, if you don't know these things, all of the prompts have tooltips and the explanations, so you'll know them, but we'll say we're going to enter that. We're going to pick a project status. And so this is what I was saying, like all of them, if you hover, it'll have an explanation. So we're going to put this into discovery. I'm going to select a priority. Now, when you are putting in deadlines and due dates, if you click in here, the default for Notion is going to give you the start date. And so you just come on down here and click end date to show duration. So we'll have this ending on the 6th of June. You can add outcomes if you know them. Again, this is going to tie into the database. But if you already have outcomes or goals that you're working towards, milestones and things that you're working towards, those will be there. So select that. We're going to come over here for key stakeholders. I'll add myself and DesignOps as a service. This feature, most of the things, like if you're working by yourself, you'll be you can set yourself as a default or you'll just show up there. If you have teammates or you're working with a team-based Notion, you can add them in as there as well. As you add tasks and complete them, the progress bar will fill up and show a percentage of completion. Then you can add files and documents if you have them when you're starting out, and also add like a little note here. All right, so now you've entered it. We can close it out here. And then when you come in to the dashboard, you'll see the new demo project is created, all the fields there. And in the next video, I'll show how you can add tasks. Thank you for watching. Take care.